हेलो गाइस, कैसे हैं आप सब? सो लेट्स वी स्टार्ट टुडे करंट अफेयर्स। Missile Commemoration Barge LSAM-10, the fourth barge of 8 Missile Commemoration Barge project built by MSME Shipyard, Sikon Engineering Project Private Limited, Visakhapatnam, for Indian Navy was inducted on 28 December 23rd at Naval Dockyard, Mumbai. And this contract is signed between Ministry of Defence and the Sikon Engineering Project Private Limited on 19th February 21st. Ahmedabad, Kolkata, Pune remained the top three affordable residential markets among major Indian cities in 2023, according to the Affordability Index report by Knight Frank India. Kuneri Humphrey won the silver medal at the Women's World Rapid Chess Championship 2023 held in Samarkand, Uzbekistan. President Draupadi Murmu on Monday gave assent to the three new criminal justice bills which were cleared by Parliament last week. The three new bills, the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, the Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita and the Bharatiya Sakshya Act, will replace the colonial era Indian Penal Code and the Code of Criminal Procedure and the Indian Evidence Act of 1872. Union Home Minister and Minister of Corporations Shri Amit Shah releases a commemorative postal stamp to mark 50 years of Pandit Jashraj Music Festival Pandit Motiram Pandit Maniram Sangeet Samaroh in New Delhi. Market regulator SEBI on Wednesday extended the deadline to June 30 next year for demat and mutual fund account holder to provide a nomination. Former European Commission President Jacques Delors, hailed as the architect of the modern European Union, has passed away. Pakistan on Wednesday conducted a successful flight test of indigenously developed guided multi-launch rocket system Fateh 2, which is capable of engaging targets with high precision up to a range of 400 kilometers. NASA launches spacecraft to intercept God of Chaos asteroid as it nears Earth orbit. The Reserve Bank of India has upgraded the weightage of SBI and HDFC Bank on its list of three domestic systematically important banks for 2023, which include ICICI Bank as well. So, as Tesankar book Why Bharat Matters provide an engaging examination of India's changing place in the world. Sony Sports Network has joined hands with the actor Kartik Aaryan as their brand ambassador for football. HDFC Bank gets board approval for 3-year extension to Atanu Chakravarti as chairman. Actor and founder leader of the DMDK, Vijay Kant, passed away. Ministry of Commerce backed e-commerce protocol Open Network for Digital Commerce Tuesday on announced two separate partnerships with Google and Meta. Here for improving the vocab for competitive exam, we start a series from 1st January 2024 where we cover all the previous year idioms, words and phrasal verbs. Please join us. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.